Hey guys, it's Suresh. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning into another video with me today, and a very happy new year to all of you. I am thrilled to be back with my very first video for 2018, and I thought it would be fitting to start with some custom Barbie Couture darling, okay? Because Barbie does not do anything simply. She always brings everything in style. She is here showing us some fabulous New Year's couture that we created for her. I started off with this really beautiful lace that, if you guys remember from the last dress that I recently draped, you will recognize it. It's the same exact lace. However, it looks different here because I backed it with this really beautiful, very soft gray silk. And I absolutely love this cape so much. It was sort of the inspiration for the whole ensemble. I wanted something regal and I wanted something luxe. And then when she takes the big, beautiful cape off, there is this really simple, really gorgeous halter gown that I love so much. The construction is very simple. The silhouette is very old-fashioned and glamorous. And wait till you see the skirt. It is the best part of this gown. The way it moves is absolutely magic, and that is because it is a gorgeous circle skirt. There are no seams on the skirt at all, so it takes flight when Barbie is turning around and moving around for you. There are 4 layers of beautiful white tricot chiffon underskirts. They are all lined in this gorgeous, very soft, lightweight cotton lace. And oh my God, I just love the way everything just takes flight. Don't you think it's fabulous, you guys? Look at this. I mean, you would never know that this is Barbie. You would think it's a real life woman just dancing around and just enjoying her night, you know? So the top portion of the gown is a very simple halter. It is a high reaching halter, so it brushes against her chin. And I like that contrast with the big voluminous skirt. I think it's very beautiful. There are, again, 4 layers of this beautiful underskirt. The fabric off the gown, again, is this really pretty metallic gray silk. It is a very difficult fabric to work with, so this did take me many weeks of very careful handwork to put together. The lace trim on these underskirts is also very delicate, so that took hours. Oh my God, it took so long to put together. Barbie is wearing her silver glittery Louboutins, which I think is a beautiful complement to this beautiful bright white and gray combination. In case you are wondering, this is Glam gown from the 2016 BFMC collection. Also, can we just talk about how proud you guys are of me because I'm using an articulated silkstone? I never thought I would see the day, right? I did add a little sprig of Swarovski crystals to her hair to give it some little shine and some little gleam. Her purse and bracelet are from Another City Shine Dolls collection. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope that you learned something, and I hope that you feel inspired to drape something of your own. So please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure you hit that little bell icon after the subscribe button. That way you guys are notified every Thursday when I upload a new video. Wherever you are in the world, I'm sending you so much love. Big hugs and kisses from me and Barbie here in New York. Mwah! I hope you're having a fabulous new year, and I will see you guys again next Thursday for a brand new video, okay? Bye!